So I'm here with Shereika at the Jamaica Island Nutrition Network Conference. Shereika, introduce yourself.
So I'm Shereika Mills. I'm the Policy and Advocacy Coordinator at Jamaica Youth Advocacy Network, and I'm also an attorney at law.
So that's a lot of words you threw at me. So what is it exactly that you do?
So at JAN, I am in charge of forming our positions on different policies that affect young people, and also in charge of training, building the capacity of the youth advocates that we have as part of our Advocacy Council, which is a group of advocates that we take on every 2 years to advocate on issues that they're passionate about.
Okay, and what are some of those issues that people are passionate about?
So, young people right now are really passionate about their nutrition status, so they're passionate about the existence of a school nutrition policy in Jamaica, and also around their mental health and their sexual and reproductive health and rights. Those are the three main areas that we work on right now.
Okay, so talk to me about the nutrition policies.
Sure. Okay, so Jamaica currently does not have a school nutrition policy or any real policy or legislative guidance around the school food environment. And that's really a huge risk, especially based on the fact that our education system functions based on a decentralized model. And so the Ministry of Education, aka the government, is not directly present in each school. And so there needs to be some kind of legislative documents or policy guidance for what's supposed to happen with school food, because we also know that healthy school food environment is a right that children have, and it's a right that pertains to their protection as it relates to their right to health and by extension their right to life. So yes.
Yeah, and kids can't learn when they're hungry, right?
Exactly, and they don't have proper mental health when they're hungry either. So yeah.
So what's the feedback been or the response been from the community?
So from the community of youth advocates?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, they are really excited about this kind of advocacy. For a lot of them, it's the first time that they're really considering healthy food policies as an area of advocacy, and so they're really interested in that and what that means about shaping food environments, and also really keen in their understanding of what's needed in the food environment to make healthy food or nutritious food a more frequent reality for them. And so they're really in support of it. They love the idea of a school nutrition policy. They all have complaints about their current school food environment, and they're in agreement that a policy would resolve a lot of the issues that they have now.
So what is a typical school meal?
In Jamaica? Patties, bun and cheese, fried chicken, fries, rice. Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say that forms, along with, and apart from those like cooked meals, there's also a lot of just processed foods in school, so lots of chips, snacks, yeah.
Okay. So what's been your biggest takeaway from the conference?
From the conference? That there needs to be more strategic partnership to allow the school nutrition policy to work. And so young people are going to have to start thinking about, or especially in terms of our network, we are thinking about how we can amplify youth voices to the different partners to see how we can have their perspectives included in the different elements of the policy. And that doesn't just include talking to the Ministry of Education, as we've realized today, but there are a lot of other partners that we can connect with and get their perspectives through in that way as well.
That's amazing. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me, for having a quick chat, and for supporting Jamaica Island Nutrition Network and everything else that you do.
Definitely.